Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you some St. Patrick niches, some St. Patrick ideas to hopefully get you some sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. But before I share with you those St. Patrick niches, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's on sale right now for only $9.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And I also have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Redbubble. Also on sale for only $9.99. This one though, you get 20 lessons, also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble or for beginners on Redbubble. Here are my credentials on Merch by Amazon. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and I've made over $38,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And my credentials on Redbubble over the past 12 months, you're going to see I've done over $2,000 with my best month being in June of 2022, where I did 317. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Now let's get into the content of the video. So the niches I have for you today are in the St. Patrick's niche. And this first one that I have is Kiss Me, I'm, and then basically you just fill in the blank. And what I would recommend is to use niches that people really identify with. And a few ones that have been working well for me are like Kiss Me, and then you add in like a political party. So like Kiss Me, I'm Republican. Kiss Me, I'm Democrat. Kiss Me, I'm Independent. Also, people really identify with like their sexuality. So Kiss Me, I'm lesbian. Kiss Me, I'm gay. Kiss Me, I'm bi. People also identify really with like their profession, their job, their career. So that is another one that has been working well for me. So Kiss Me, I'm a lawyer. Kiss Me, I'm a police officer. Kiss Me, I'm a teacher. Kiss Me, the ideas just go endless with this, but what I would focus most on is where people really identify with. Another thing that people also identify is their country, where they're from. So you can see here like Kiss Me, I'm Mexican. Kiss Me, I'm Canadian. Kiss Me, I'm French. Kiss Me, I'm German. Kiss Me, I'm African. You know, there's a lot of people that are born in other countries but live in the United States and want to take part in the St. Patrick's festivities. So those are some good ideas. And then you could also go funny too. So Kiss Me, I'm single. Kiss Me, I just got divorced. Kiss Me, I'm drunk. Kiss Me, I'm high. You know, so you can go the route where people really, you identify, you know, or funny as well. So that's the first one that I have, Kiss Me, I'm, and then you just fill in the blank. The ideas for this one are endless and you can actually have a lot of fun with it as well. The second one that I have for you is, you've probably seen this one, One Lucky Teacher. But this is just way too competitive. You know, if you just do One Lucky Teacher, you know, we're going to see there's already thousands of results. And if you just do another One Lucky Teacher, you know, with a green rainbow, you're not offering any value to the market. And, you know, it's just, you're not going to stand out. There's already a million of these designs anyway. So what I would recommend if you want to get into this niche is to niche down. Now you're going to see already people doing like, you know, One Lucky first grade teacher, second grade, third grade, fourth grade. But again, even that is still too competitive in my opinion. So what I would do is I would niche down even more where there's barely any competition, and that is in high school and college subjects. So if what you want to do is you just want to go to like Google and type in like high school subjects, high school or college subjects. Like for example, I found this list right here. And if I just scroll up to the top, we're going to see all these subjects. So like for example, you'd want to do something like One Lucky American literature teacher, One Lucky creative writing teacher, One Lucky journalism teacher. Like I bet you if you type into, you know, Amazon one Lucky journalism teacher, there's probably going to be barely any competition. You know, One Lucky poetry teacher. And then it goes down to math. So One Lucky trigonometry teacher, One Lucky pre-calculus teacher. You know, these AP ones are good for, as well for college, I believe. Here we go to social studies, like One Lucky economics teacher, One Lucky, you know, psychology teacher. Anthropology teacher, political science. So, you know, there's going to be a lot less competition. And this design really sells really well. You know, One Lucky Teacher with the rainbow, or you can do other styles as well. But if you just do this type right here where it just says One Lucky Teacher, you know, you're not adding any value to the marketplace. You know, you want to niche down. And when you get into these school subjects, there's going to be little competition. So now we're in science, another great one. So One Lucky chemistry teacher, One Lucky physics teacher, One Lucky astronomy teacher. It keeps going. You know, like Latin, there's probably going to be very little competition in that. Same thing here, you know, One Lucky drama teacher. I think you get the idea. Just go to Google, type in, high school subjects, college subjects, get some ideas, do a little research. And that's going to be a good way to break into this niche with some low competition. And then the next one that I have is actually one that just kind of popped up into my mind. And these are kind of some like the best ones. Like if you've been on merch on Amazon for a while, if you've ever like come up with a design yourself, and it's becomes pretty successful, so it's actually pretty cool. And so I had an idea pop into my mind here, and this is taking the I paused my game to be here and cross-niching it with St. Patrick's Day. And we've seen this over the past year or so where people are taking, I paused my game to be here and cross-niching it with whatever, holiday is coming up. We saw this with Halloween. We saw this with Thanksgiving. We saw this with, Christmas. And so since we've seen it done well in the past, and this is probably like one of the best designs ever to be on merch, is the I pause my game to be here, saying. And so just a couple ideas that popped into my head were like, I pause my game to pinch you. I pause my game to wish you luck. I pause my game to, be in the shenanigans. Shenanigans is a real popular phrase right now for St. Patrick's Day. So, this one you have to get creative with. I don't have any designs to show you. This isn't one where we're copying, basically. This is one where we're using our own creativity to come up with an original saying, that probably is not already up on Amazon. And that's going to be a good way to really, kind of blow you up, because it's happened to me a couple times. Usually I'm kind of like everybody else. I just kind of copy other designs. But there's been a few times where I've made up my own original sayings, designs, and, I had one when the vaccine was out. I cross-niched it with gay pride, and it just went, it didn't go viral, but I made like, a couple $1,000s that month just from that one niche. And a whole bunch of people were copying me, so that was pretty cool too. So that's going to be the third niche, where you're cross-niching I pause my game with St. Patrick's Day. And what you can do is you can just go and type in like St. Patrick's Day, and you can just kind of get some ideas. So you can see shenanigans. So maybe you can use, like I said, shenanigans. But you can just come in here and just kind of get some ideas on how you can come up with some, original creative sayings for saying I pause my game, and then any type of St. Patrick's phrase, saying, or niche, basically. And then if you go to Creative Fabrica and you're looking for like some clip art, to design for, you can come in here. You can also just get basically t-shirt designs as well. Just double check the licensing. I talked about that in my last video. But if you're interested, I have a affiliate link in my description. It's $59 a year, but it breaks down only $4.99 a month. These guys got a ton of clip art, ton of designs for you to use. If you go to my YouTube, one of my YouTube descriptions, you're going to see right here where it says my favorite POD tools. Right underneath there's going to be Creative Fabrica. There's going to be a link. That's affiliate link. So if you sign up using my link, I do get a commission. But they got a lot of good stuff, so check them out. And that's basically going to be it. If you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just talking about like trending niches, evergreen niches, just design ideas to hopefully get you some sales on Merch by Amazon and the other print-on-demand platforms. If you're looking for other ideas, I got some good ones here. You can just check out this first playlist if you're looking for more ideas. And again, if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, if you're struggling to get sales on Redbubble, or if you're just a beginner and you're looking for some guidance, I definitely recommend that you check out these courses. Ton of content, and right now you can take advantage of the sales, only $9.99, $10. So give it a try. All right, so that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a good week, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye-bye.